Hello, welcome to Coffee Dress class. Please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this class. And for my subscribers, thank you very much for always coming along. In today's lesson, we are going to draw this figure. It's now in isometric projection, and we are going to draw it in orthographic projection. Autographic projection in first angle projection. We are going to draw autographic projection in first angle projection, or in first angle. We are going to draw this figure in autographic projection. Now we are going to draw the plan or the top view, the front elevation or the front view, and the end elevation or the end view. So first with your T-square and your set-square, you draw lines like this. You first draw this line, then you measure 1 centimeter or 10 millimeters, then you draw another line like this. Now when you look at the figure here, from the distance from here, from this end to this side is 60 millimeters, which is 6 centimeters, and from here to here is 40 millimeters, which is 4 centimeters. Then we have this. So now we are going to draw this in orthographic projection. Please, if you have any question, you can go to the comment section and leave your question, and I will always answer your questions. Thank you very much for coming along. Let's start. Now we now consider this to be one of the outlines. So now from here, we are taking the front elevation or the front view from this end. So the distance from here to this side is 6 centimeters, which is 60 millimeters. And for me, in orthographic projection, I always prefer to draw the plan or the top view first. Now look at it. The distance from here to this side is 60 millimeters, which is 6 centimeters. So with your compass or your divider, you measure 60 millimeters or 6 centimeters. You measure 6 centimeters, and we have 6 centimeters. So from here to this side is 6 centimeters. Now then let's look at the distance from here to this side is 4 centimeters. This is 40 millimeters. Then you measure another. So let's draw this line first. There's 6 centimeters. So with your set square and your T square, you draw a line like this. You draw a faint line. Then from here you can extend this line up here, a faint line like this. Then we measure 40 millimeters, which is from here to this side. So you measure your 40 millimeters. So from here, measure your 40, which is here. So this, with your T-square, you can draw the line. Your T-square, you draw your line from here to this side. Good. Now when we look at this figure, so now we have the distance from here to this side, which is 60 millimeters, and from here to this side, which is 40 millimeters. So it's here. We have the distance from here to this side is 60, and from here to this end be 40 millimeters. So now then look at the distance here. it says from this end to this side is 15 millimeters, which is 1.5 centimeters from here to this side. So from here we will measure 15 centimeters. Now look at this. Now from here to this side is 60 millimeters, and from here to this side is 15 millimeters, and from here to this side is 30 millimeters, which means the distance from here to this side is also 15 millimeters. So with your compass or your divider, then you measure 15 millimeters from here to this side, then another 15 millimeters from here to this side. So now with our divider, let's measure 15 millimeters here, then another 15 millimeters from here to this side. Then with our set square and the T-square, you draw a straight line like this. Then from here another 15. Good. Now we have this. So we are going to show the outlines now. So the distance from here to this side is 15 millimeters, and from here to this side is 30 millimeters, and from here to this side is also 15. So the distance from here to here is 60 millimeters. So now we have our plan or our top view. So let's draw this. With your T-square and your set square, you can draw this. Then from here, this side, you can use your T-square to draw this. Use your T-square. And here, is your T-square like this. So we have this to be the top view or the plan. So this is the top view. This is the top view. Now when you look at it, we have these lines. We have this line. We have from looking from here, or from, that is the top. You see this line, this line, this line, and this. So we have this to be the plan or the top view. Now we are going to draw the front view or front elevation. So with the extended lines here, with the extended lines here, with your set square, now we are going to see this, the distance from here to here, which is here. It's already here. Now let's consider the distance from here to this side, which is 20 millimeters. So you measure 20 millimeters. So we have our 20 millimeters here. Then you can draw a faint line like this. It goes to the other side. Good. Now let's consider this, the distance from here to this side is 15 millimeters. And look at our projection here. So it's here. So it's very simple. So now we have this to be the 15 millimeters. So let's measure the distance from here to here, which is 20 millimeters. So with your divider or your compass, you measure 20 millimeters, which is here, from here to this side. Then you draw another faint line, and that one is from here to here. So now let's draw the front elevation or the front view. Now when you look at it, this is what we are going to see. We are going to see only this side here. So it's here, this and this. So with your set square, you draw this, put it from here to here, then you move from here just draw like this, then good. Then with your T-square, you move it like this. Then here, good. So we have this to be the front elevation or the front view. So now we have the plan or the top view, then we have our front view or the front elevation. Now we are going to draw the end elevation or the end view. The end elevation or the end view. So with this, with your 45 degrees set square, with your T-square, then you draw this from here, 45 degrees. Then just extend these lines from here to here. Good. And this one is already here. So if this, with your set square and your T-square, you draw another faint line like this. It goes like this. Then just extend these lines from this point, from here and here. Good. Now this is the end view or the end elevation. We are going to see only this side here, the distance from here to here, this and this. So, and you know that the end elevation or the end view, you can get it from the front view. Now look at this, the distance from here, it shows like this. So with this, we are going to get only these two sides. So we have it here. So with your set square, It's very simple. By extending the lines, this is how we do it. You extend the lines from the front view or the front elevation to this side. Then with the 45 degrees set square, you draw this line, then you draw to get the other side, and it helps you to get the end or the side view. So now here with our T-square and our set square, we draw this line from here to here. Then you move to the other side like this. With your T-square and your set square, it's very easy. It's very easy to draw these lines. Then with your T-square, just move it like this. Then here, and the last, good. So we have this to be the end view or the end elevation of it. So when you look at this, you see the plan, you are going to see only this. The plan, you are going to see only this side, this, and this. So look at this. We have here, here, and this side. We have this side to be here, the top here to be here, then this side to be here. And the front elevation is this, or the front view. That's what we have here. And the end view is here. The end view, this is what you are going to see, is here. You have this and this. It's very simple. So this is how to draw orthographic projection, to draw orthographic projection. So this is the figure here, and in orthographic projection we have the plan or the top view, the front elevation or the front view, then the end elevation or the end view. And this is the plan. It's looking from here, this from top, the top of the, this is the top view, looking here from the top. This is what you see. And here we have the distance from here to here, which is, so you first draw these lines. You first draw a line like this into 4, then you measure 1 centimeter to this side, 1 centimeter to this side, and it's very simple. It will help you a lot. And this side as well, you draw it, then you consider that these lines to be the side of the figure. So from here you measure 60 millimeters, which is here. Then you measure the 40 from here, then you draw to get this. Then you consider this, the distance from here to this side is 15. Then you mark your 15, then you draw your line to this side, and from this side to this side is also 15 millimeters. You draw it, then it will help you. Then you, after drawing this line, then you have this to be the plan of the figure. Now look at this. Then the front elevation is the front view. This is the front view or the front elevation. By extending this line, you just draw a line from here to here, because the distance from here to here is the same like this, looking from, that is from top, from the top of the figure or the block here, that is from here to here. So you draw your 60, then the distance from here to here, which is 20 millimeters, you measure your 20. Here is also 20, then you draw your line. Then distance from here to this side is also 20. Then you draw this, you join this to get the front view. Then after getting the front view or the front elevation with the 45 degrees set square, you draw 45 degrees line to this side, just extend this to this side. Then with your T-square and your set square, you draw another line up here. Then just extend this line to show them, to give you the end elevation or the end view. So this is the top view or the plan, the front view or the front elevation, end view or the end elevation. This is how. So this is an orthographic projection. Thank you very much for watching. If you have a problem or a question, always leave your question on the comment section and I will answer all your questions. Thank you very much for coming along. Please, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this class. And for my subscribers and everyone watching my video, thank you very much for your love and your support. Keep drawing. Let's keep drawing. Without drawing, there will be nothing on this planet Earth. Thank you very much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.